Namaskaram and welcome in our Salesforce Guru YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand what is a roll-up summary field and how actually it works. So let's get started with this one. So first of all, we need to log in our developer edition all. So let's use login.salesforce.com and let's put our username and password. So here we are, and first of all, even before starting with this video, let's see whether we have a object called fees with the master detail lookup relationship from student. So let's see fee. Yes, it is available. Let's see the lookup relationship, master detail lookup relationship. Okay, here it is. Now, first of all, we need to understand what is a roll-up summary field. Even before doing that one, let's understand one thing that let's say that we want to create a roll-up summary field. Then the first requirement is we need to have master detail lookup relationship in our parent and child object. Then only Salesforce will allow us to create a roll-up summary field. So that is the first and important thing. Second thing is a roll-up summary field will take all the child record related to our parent and put the summary, roll-up summary like count, sum, min, max on our record. I'll show you that one. So let's say that let me open one more tab. So I'm just going to set up, and from there we can go to the sales one, or let's directly jump into our students. Okay, because we just want to go to student. Okay, so here we are on our student object. Okay, let's open one of them. Let's say we are going with our student. Okay, now here we have our fees. Let's say I am collecting some fees. Okay, this is my student fees number, everything is coming. Okay, I'm creating a new fee, but I want to create first of all here one field called amount, how much amount we are collecting as a fees. So that we have to put it over here. So for that one I am using a currency field. Okay, so this is the currency field that we are using. Click on next, and then let's say amount. Okay, now if I want to go next, then one more next and save. So we have created a field called amount in our fee section. Okay, now if I just refresh it, uh, let's use our ninja technique to get the things refreshed basically. So conflict comply, we can just change to them, and let's see whether we have that field or not. So if I click on new button, then over here as we can see that we have our amount field ready. So let's say this particular student, we are collecting 100 rupee fee from him. Okay, so we have collected that one and it's done. Okay, so this is how we collected the fee. Now we have collected one more fee record, and let's say now we collected 200. Okay, now we know that we have collected 1000 and 2000, but that total amount of the fee we want to have in our student object. For that one, we can create our roll-up summary. So in other words, we can say a roll-up summary field will uh, uh, calculate the roll-up, means whether min, max, average, or sum of the related records, and it will put in our field. So we need to create a field in our student object. Okay. So for our roll-up summary field, let's say we are directly going into our parent object means our student object, and here we will create that particular field. Okay, so right now I'm creating a field. I'm going to field and relationship. First of all, I went to student and then fields and relationship. Now I'm clicking on new, and over here, as you can see, we have one field called roll up summary. Normally we will not get it, but this time we are getting because we have a master detail lookup relationship in this one. Okay, now let's click on next, and I'll say total fees. Okay, and then let's click on next. Over here we need to click, we need to select our child object. Okay, and over here we can do these type of operation, whether count, sum, min, or max. These things we can make. Right now I am just trying to put the sum, so I'm just selecting this one, and amount I'm picking. Over here even we can filter the record if we just want, like let's say we just want July fees or August fees. These type of thing, if you want those filter thing also, we can put it, uh, but right now I'm not doing that one. Okay, so this is how you can just put the filter, what is the field name and what should be the operator. So right now I'm just taking everything. Let's click on next, and then one more next, and save it. Okay, so this is how it's saved. Let's again use our ninja technique to refresh the page. Let's let's change the display. Okay, let's refresh it again, and let's see whether we have the calculated amount on our field or not. As you can see, we are able to see 3,000 as our roll up. Okay, let me again go here, and let me put 1,000. I'm putting 1,000. Now it should change to the 4,000 rupees. Okay, as you can see, it got automatically changed to 4,000. So this is how actually roll up summary field work, where we first of all we just need master detail lookup relationship, and second thing is we can create our roll up summary field, and that will roll up the records, the related record to our particular record. Now I'll quickly show one more thing. Now this is for the student record, but if I go to Sham record, then over here right now it's zero. But if I add any fee, let's say I'm collecting 2,000 rupees. Okay, I click on save, and again if I will go back here, then we'll get 2,000. If I create one more, let's say now I am just collecting 1,000 rupees. So now, as you can see, we have 3,000 rupees. So actually what it will do is, it will just calculate the sum of its related records only, okay, that are related to this one. So this is how actually roll-up summary field is working. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. We'll definitely meet in the next video. Till that, complete our assignment. Keep learning. Bye bye. Jai Hind.